Let's start by looking at what Faradic actually is. Now, your Faradic treatment is also known as electromuscle stimulation. It is applied to the face and body, and it's used to stimulate muscle contractions. Now, this movement is repeated to create a tightening toning effect. Let's look at the general effects of Faradic. It improves the tone of specific muscles, it reshapes the body and facial contours, and it increases metabolism of the stimulated muscles. Now, your waste products such as carbon dioxide and uric acid are removed from the muscle fibres due to the pumping action from the lymph vessels as the muscles contract and relax. We'll start by looking at body-specific effects. So your posture is improved through increasing the muscle tone in overstretched muscles. It improves the appearance of the body contour. As your muscles tighten, it has a slimming effect. And the increase of the waste removal improves the appearance of cellulite. That's working with the lymphatic system. Looking at your facial effects now, it improves the firmness of slack muscles, so it improves the jowls around the face and the facial contours. Your skin colour is also increased because of the circulation, where you have a lot of more blood and oxygen going to the skin. So let's look at how these results actually work. So it has to work on your muscles. Now, your muscles are composed of muscle fibres. Now, each fibre is composed of nerves. These nerves are stimulated by the electrical current from the Faradic machine. The stimulation causes the muscle fibres to shorten and the muscles will then contract. The muscle fibres myosin and actin slide together during the contraction. This makes the muscle shorter and fatter in the centre. During the relaxation stage, the muscle fibres move apart, creating a longer stretched muscle. For this to work, we need to work with the nerve endings. So the nerves create the movement, and it's called a motor nerve. The repeated stimulation to the muscle will cause the muscle fibres to improve in tone. This will result in firming of the tissues and reshaping the body contours. The positioning of your pads is important. It needs to be placed as close to the muscle's motor point as possible. The motor point is where the motor nerves enter the muscles. The correct positioning of your pads ensures that the nerves receives the strongest signal from the nerves, causing a good contraction.